Welcome everybody to a new CAOL tutorial. My name is Carlos and today I'm going to show you how to create Turnitin assignments and view them. So Blackboard has the option in the assessments to be able to create a Turnitin assignment. As you do, we'll be presented with some choices such as paper assignment, primer assignment, and revision assignment. The most common one would be a paper assignment where you click on next step. Once it loads, we'll be presented with the regular options, new assignment, assignment title, let's say sample Turnitin. There is an optional point value, but usually if you're going to grade from a 0 to 100 scale or letters, you want 100 so that you're able to enter the grades easily. Any file type you can check for similarity or any file type. This one may make the work easier, so it's probably best left as that. You want a date to display and a due date that you can edit at your choice and a post date. Some optional settings are given, such as special instructions. To allow submissions after due date, I suppose the program will be able to tell you to mark late, and that way you can deduct as convenient at your convenience. We can generate similarity reports or not, but it's usually best left as is. And after all that, we can click on submit. Then we have a Turnitin assignment successfully added. So when we click on OK, we're back to the place where we were putting it, which is at the end. Now, how do we do to view these assignments? We will go this way. We're going to view and complete. Even if you're an instructor, the system is thinking that you're a student and wants you to submit something. But as an instructor, you're going to click on the top right where it says messages. And you're going to see something quite different. So we're going to click here on assignment inbox, even though it seems to have been selected already. And now it would be able to show you the grades of the students. The one thing left to do though is that this thing does not check in real time what has been submitted and what has been changed. So what you would do is simply click on roster sync, and if there are any new additions or any new similarity reports, they will appear here. Because this assignment is new, you would not see anything, but when you submit this to your students and your students start uploading assignments, you will be able to see them along with a percentage of similarity. Thank you for watching and have a great day.